Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Apostle Alfred say Buhari won't go borrow money again for Brazil. All this money wey Buhari dey borrow, wetin dey use and dey do? The country where they because of and they borrow all this money, things no dey work well for the country. So this now, wetin Apostle Alfred come here today, come put mouth. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. And if you yourself get wetin to add, join wetin Apostle dey talk, just go comment section for there, make you dey put your own. And make you also help us to share the video, so that make people for the hear this message where Apostle Alfred bring come. So make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Enjoy the video.
My people, on a good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the area where you connect with us this evening. We thank Baba God for the wonderful things when He does do for our life. Not only God they put road where road no day, and I didn't want to talk word when they reach. And I do well when I don't they follow us, when I don't they share the broadcast, they invite our friends, they invite our loved ones. You know they're easy, but God will continue to fight for us, and God will continue to silence the voice of our accuser. This is the one we look one matter. Nigeria now waiting they happen. Nigerian leaders now waiting they happen. If you just check everywhere for the country now, these people not ready to change things. Now our grandpapa Bobo say he want to collect loan from Brazil. Loan to do waiting. Loan to do waiting. You need money to the work, abi? Why you not reduce legislator salary? Why not reduce the money that they buy the big bulletproof motor? Why not reduce our own salary so that money will feed they work for the people? Now, when our leaders they borrow money, to who? They borrow for themselves. They know they borrow, say because they want to make life good for the masses. Why did they borrow money? And they will need to tell us why did they borrow money. Now our grandpa won't go borrow money now from Brazil, so they do waiting. The one with the grant never pay finish. Now you don't go collect another one to take do waiting. If our leaders actually need money to take work, may they reduce salary, the senators or the legislators, may they reduce their salary. Now, under this COVID-19, all of it don't buy bulletproof for themselves. Bulletproof cars for themselves. Now, so we go the day. So, our leaders, waiting they happen. Me, I don't want to shut this evening. And I hope so that they hear me. My brother, they hear. Victor, he go continue from here, and they will put match for so many things. So we're gonna just listen to them as the broadcast will go on. Nigerian leaders waiting, they happen. My brother, I beg you, let me talk to our people.
Yo, on a good afternoon, a good morning, anywhere on a day, good evening, all over the world. Thank you so very much. This section, when we carry come this evening, waiting for us, they very, very critical to discuss about. This now because we don't understand the leadership and our opportunity. When you give people the opportunity to lead you, that means it's a privilege for them to lead you. But for our country, Nigeria, it get waiting we don't already identify as one of the biggest issues when we say don't drag us back since time immemorial, and that one our leadership. And this is the reason why we don't come out to come ask critical questions. Say our leader, waiting they happen. What do we actually need to fix this country? And when I hear what the apostle just talk, it shocked me when I hear say our president they negotiate again to borrow money from Brazil. I can't ask say all the money we don't borrow from China, waiting we don't how we don't already devise means to pay back those money, those debt we borrow from China. Now again, we don't decide again to go borrow money from Brazil. Who won't pay this money? That's the first question and we need to ask ourselves. But why I can't be happy on the other hand? Now you say Nigeria don't change. When I say Nigeria don't change, now we are now asking our leaders questions, and we're not just asking them questions, we dey ensure say we dey channel those questions rightly. Our leaders, wetin dey happen? Please, as you dey lis ten to this broadcast, so we go appreciate your comments, we go appreciate your contribution, so that because at the end of the day we go fit collate your comments, collate your contribution, so that we will fit use and take form wetin we call our own memorandum of understanding, when we say we will fit present officially to any organization wey mean well for us to grow. Our leaders, wetin dey happen for this country? Wetin we need to take fix education for Nigeria? What do we need to fix education in Nigeria? Wetin we need to take fix agriculture for Nigeria? As we speak, me, I study agriculture for University of Benin. I study agriculture, economics and extension services. But you believe say as we dey so, if you bring 10 graduates when study agriculture for Uniben, for example, 8 out of 10 of us, we no wan practice wetin we study for school. And it's na because say we no get palatable environment to encourage wetin we don study for school. Our leaders, wetin dey happen? I was going through the school fees of some schools, secondary schools for Nigeria. You believe say some school dey pay nothing less than 3 million naira per term for one child for this same country, and at the same time for this same country, children dey ring road. After they talk to for ring road, that is where they sleep. Children dey sleep for ring road. That means say as leaders, na their responsibility to also help us provide shelter. A few weeks ago, I dey ring road. As I dey ring road, I surprised when I see say small children dey lie down for ring road there. I shock when I see am. Small children lie down for ring road. Wetin come even shock me pass na when I see when they dey teach them how to take light igbo, take smoke igbo. Yes, in their air. I sit down from far, they look there, I sit down for the bar, they look them, and they give the small boy the cigar. He take am, as he take am, the igbo as he take am, in less than many minutes, he just lie down for that water fountain, the roundabout. He just lie down there. I look am from far, I say, God, wetin dey happen for this country? E don reach time where all of us go come out in one accord, ask our leaders question, wetin dey happen for this? Why e be say the health sector of our country, why e be say we no fit fix am? Why e be say education for our country na still big problem to access education? Why e be say house, shelter? As we know, many of us, when they watch me so, we dey abroad, we know what it means to live in a comfortable home. Also, for the abroad when we dey so, many of these people when they live for abroad, many of them no be dem get the house, many of them dey on mortgage. Why? Wetin dey stop our own government for building such housing scheme for our people to stay? You go some quarters where some people dey live, you look say, na woman be dey live for years. So our government, wetin dey happen? Now the greatest joy wey also sweet me for belle na this EndSARS protest wey all of us carry for head. Our leaders no believe say we fit ever do this kind thing. We come out in one accord, make sure say we shake this country, and as we shake this country, na part one they don see so. Our leaders, wetin dey happen for our country Nigeria? No matter where you dey abroad, mo no talk lie. Home na home. I will talk this anywhere we dey, and this is why I dey always appreciate everybody, most especially those when they watch us from abroad, when we say they dey very very necessary, they dey very very at alert whenever we on our channel. They dey tune in to learn and to also contribute on the way forward. Now when we say we don't understand wetin democracy be all about, when we say we know say democracy na the government, when we say the people na im dey decide, it is now high time when we go come out in one accord, in one voice, to demand the kind of government and governance when we demand from our Nigerian government. And so, wetin we need from our government to do for us for the aspect of education. Why e be say we never still fit access quality education? Like my young brothers for Nigeria, they always talk. All of them always say, they say school na scam. And if you really check am well, my brother, my sister, my papa, my mama, you no go wetin dey talk. You know what it means to study in Nigeria? No be smart when we say for every blessed day for university, our eye dey see shege. For inside school, when lecturer go come, lecturer go tell you koro to your eyes, say no matter how you dey write in exam, you no fit score A. Education, wetin dey happen for our country for education? Why e be say we never still fit get better road? Now imagine wetin our own president, President Bubu, dey try do. He don launch, he don award the road train from Nigeria to Niger in Chad, wey be say we no get interstate train for Nigeria. And now he don go launch the one wey be say e dey go another country, another African country.
Even large.
Mo we talk truth. No be person wey don belleful na if he make noise. Who never fit do the one wey dey im house wan go do the one wey dey connect to another country? Na light matter we wan talk again. When we say Ghana dey celebrate over 10 years of non-stop-able or non-shakeable power supply for Ghana. They go ask, say who dey give them? They say na Nigeria. Which Nigeria? Our own country too. When we say as we speak, so for my area for Ogbowo here, na 6 hours like that we dey get for 24 hours. 6 hours.
Even the 6 hours level.
You know dey stable. They dey roll it down. Our leader for our country, wetin dey happen? E don reach time where all of us go come together. We go forget say I did this party or I did that party. When we go pursue one strong ideology to help us achieve that Nigeria when all of us dey yarn for. Na health sector we wan go again. What do we need to access health? E get one news wey I hear for Edo State. How person take comot for your own state go build one big mansion of health sector for another state for this same country. You leave your state, come carry the health correct facility, comot for your own state, Edo State, go another state, go build better facility for another state. Mo we talk truth. Who dey deceive who?
Wetin dey happen?
Mo we talk truth. Who Nigeria dey for? Nigeria is a collective effort of every one of us, each and every one of us, to ensure say we come out, we stand for the right of the people, we stand for the right of not just the people but the next generation. Children when they never born, when they go wake up in the morning, they go see country, they go issue belle, they go dey bless everybody, all the generation wey don exist before them.
Even our children never get hope.
Okay.
My people, I better dress your chair, come. Even our children now, they never get hope. But in God we trust. In God we trust. Even our children now, they would say, which kind of country be this? Why? Because of evil leader. My brother talk about light with the Ghana, but yet we don't get light. So, Oga people want carry rail line, go Chad. They'll need to tell them, maybe I say that from Chad, they from come. If not, I don't know, my brother. I bet they talk to our people.
So, this na matter we carry come this evening. Our people, wetin we need to do? This country no be for one man, na for every one of us. How do we need to tackle this problem? Wetin we need to present before the government? And when the EndSARS protest dey go on a few weeks back, truly speaking, many Nigerians come out, they talk A, they talk B, Buhari must go, this, that. But I can't sit down critically as apostle, beyond say we dey make noise for street, wetin we need to do to ensure say we tackle the issue of bad governance in Nigeria? Because as history students, we don read so many articles we realize now only one major problem now we get for our country, and the problem we get for our country now bad governance.
Now, you know, since we don't shout up NEPA.
Yeah.
No, joke about
Yes, sir.
Since I was young, now I'm getting old. We are still shouting
Up NEPA.
up NEPA. So my brother, you miss it enough to give up life for this country.
Like,
no, wait, you miss it enough to give up. No, you miss it enough to give up life. No, I don't know.
so you imagine when we say person dey live for Nigeria, in dey import generator enter Nigeria when e dey sell, make we talk truth. You see that kind of person go allow Nigeria get power supply.
For get waiting.
These are things we need to look into. Wetin we need to do? We need to come out in our voice. We need to say this na wetin we want from our leader. Education. When we say education, wetin we want from inside education, we need access to where we say our politician children who want children know the school for Nigeria, make him no contest for Nigeria.
In fact, we will need to pass.
Who wan be Nigeria leader when he pikin know the school for Nigeria, make him no vex, make him no job come say he wan come leave Nigeria. These are the things we need to start presenting before our Nigeria, so that they will know say we don really come. Una see wetin all of us gather do Desmond Elliot.
No, Desmond idiot.
Okay, my oga say Desmond idiot. All of us gather do Desmond idiot. When open him mouth say make dem bring out bill wey go dey regulate social media. Una imagine that same Desmond Elliot na him still come out when he dey contest, when he say he's very happy that the social very good tool for him to win as House of Assembly member. Desmond open him mouth talk say make the House of Assembly for Lagos State make dey regulate bill, social media bill wey go dey regulate, so that mean say we no fit dey follow una dey talk now. But na guess what, before he finish for house that day, before they finish house plenary, social media don full. Na him my guy come and start to dey cry say no be so e take talk am. This is the Nigerian people don understand how to work, and they hook them by the horn and also by the boom. And so we dey ask this question, a very critical question this evening. Our leaders for Nigeria, wetin dey happen? Abi na rulers we get between leaders and rulers o? Rulers na people wey be say dem no dey take decision from their people. Dem no.
Wait first, my brother, you too dey hurry. My brother too dey hurry. Nigeria will not get leader.
Okay.
Na ruler dey do it until you carry ruler come out.
You wan measure am.
You dey measure am. So they cut it according to their
taste.
To their taste. So that the crumbs, then they call it share.
Boss.
They share give us. Our leaders really dey worry una. Who dey cry the sea road. But one thing I know say, our hope in Christ is not in vain.
At all.
A city set on a hill cannot be hidden. He not get as una one plan or try to cover the glory of the masses. God will intervene.
Amen.
Nigeria politicians make una dey hear word. See, all those big cars una dey buy, they build mansion, follow everywhere. Make I tell una go use una and sell am. Because the wealth of the people can never stay in your hands.
At all.
My brother, this matter, wetin dey really dey worry about, they dey smoke cocaine. Abeg, I hear me ask whether they smoke cocaine.
For me, my own little observation when I don follow little of them waka, I just see say majority of our rulers, there be people wey say they don already psych many of us as their followers. They don say e no get wetin we fit do even if they do the wrong thing. That is why e shock them when we start the EndSARS process. They don already psych us. Say this people, I be gonna give them anything. And sir, apostles, our leaders are smart finish.
No, they be rule like
They're smart. You know I say they're smart finish. They don't condition many of us to be very poor. 2,000 naira or 1,000 naira, we will shout is the leader there.
Somebody they call so. Hello, now you they call. We are on live broadcast. I say I'm on live broadcast. Yeah. No. Hello, good evening, sir. Oh, yeah, so we are on live broadcast. Yeah.
So, as I talk, they go. They don't ensure say, I beg, Muna Ola hungry, catch. Once hungry, catch these people. If you reach time for election, for example, if you carry 2,000 and 5,000 and near them, we tell them so you're Muna take. They will all of them will shout, is the leader there? Is the leader there? Is the leader there? And then before you know, they will collect our vote. They will come out again for another after 4 years. They will come out again until after another 4 years. This is the strategy when most of our rulers do already devise as their strategy to take the deal with us. But it can't shock them for 2020 governorship election for Edo State. When we come out with the slogan say Edo no be Lagos, when our own man Governor Obaseki when we say he gets the people at heart, he don already start the administration, start the better work. Na him some people come say dem be stakeholder, some people come say dem be godfatherism, say na dem get the state, dem wan come change am. But una know wetin happen. The people when they decide the vote, when they call the electorate, the people come out in mass, strong voice, and then they voted not just for Obaseki, but they vote, which for us come make our belle sweet say this na new dawn, not just for Edo people but for the Nigerian people. In case say una no dey aware, the Edo State 2020 election was a landmark and a pace when we say Nigeria they look up to, because it was very glaring when we say the Edo people come out in mass and none of us dey shout 4+4 Ogbane, no be talk by again Ogbane. And as the people come out do the Ogbane, and like seriously the voice of the people was heard.
So you know say they are jacka now.
Of course, sir.
You know say they are jacka. When they see say these people I do declare, now they are jack the protest, and now they come arrange people to come scatter evening. So and that's what they be. So now they go to that way.
Okay.
Or you follow here. And that's what they be. So you know as with this studio, so many people they work and they come. It's part of the thing. So they hijack the protest. When they see say the people, our eye don't open. Now they come give those boys, they give 1 naira, 2 naira. They call the hoodlums. They call the hoodlums. They don't be hoodlums.
But Apostle, remember, so we see one video when one big jeep, one man wear suits.
Yes.
One big jeep. The man they order them. He order them. He order those hoodlums. More will talk truth. Now me enter that wear suit enter that jeep.
No.
Now poor man wear suit enter that jeep.
They're a big man.
Wetin we dey talk for this country? Our leaders, wetin dey happen?
Wetin they do now? Wetin they happen?
Abimo will go wetin happen for Lekki toll gate when our same the governor for Lagos State open talk say he no know wetin happen for Lekki toll gate. Say he no order so you mean say as the governor of wetin happen that day, that means say na vote of no confidence be that. That's a very high level of incompetency. Our leaders for this country, wetin dey happen? Time don reach make una at least make una pity us. Even though say belle e no suit una for belle, make una allow this country work, but make una try pity us. Say okay fine, we will allow this thing, we will allow Nigeria, make Nigeria at least make Nigeria even work. This na wetin we carry come this evening. Say make our leaders for our country make our leaders for our country, make they at least, make they still help us. See the way they will fit take better our country. This na the matter wey we carry come this evening.
Hey, now say they be my people. I beg continue.
This is the matter wey we carry come this evening, so that every one of us go fit contribute to the way forward on how we fit take better our country. As we all know, say we no get where we fit run go again. Even people when they abroad too, as una know very well una dey, e dey sweet una as una dey get the update of wetin dey happen for our country. This na a very big sign say una really love this country wey we call Nigeria. But wey the biggest issue wey we get for our country na leadership wey we no get. When we say na rulers na im full the aim of government for our country. And this is why we carry this big question, ogbonge question, come this evening. Say what is the way forward? Our leaders, wetin dey happen for this country?
Wetin dey happen? But soon,
Wetin dey happen for this country? What do we do to put in place to ensure say we get the Nigeria for our choice? We get the Nigeria wey all of us desire. Generation go come, dem go see, belle go sweet dem say, who build this kind of country like this? What is the hope for all of us? What is the hope for all of us for this country? And the matter when we carry come this. So we will appreciate your comments as you dey watch us. So try to help us to put your comments one by one, so that we too will fit take get your own opinion on the way forward for our country, Nigeria. Apostle, I pass the mic to you, sir.
No say when we dey ask our leaders wetin dey happen, they say we dey joke. See e get where you go put goat reach, you go turn back, you go use your own take hit you.
Yes, sir.
And if he hit you anywhere for hit, if he hit your blockhouse, hit everywhere, your eye go clear. The truth be say, since 1960 they no be give us light. We don get all the past presidents light, they no gree fit give us. Good roads they no fit give us. But yet though they fly aeroplane, here they weapon. Man, let me first deceive me. But the truth be say, the Bible have said it, God have said it. The evil men will never escape the judgment of God. The wrath of God, you know, will escape man. See our brothers now, you know, see that most of our brothers they be slave, bro. Some of our brothers they be slave. Now the truth be this, they want to come back to Nigeria, they don't fit. Now they want to come to Nigeria now. House where they see their brother build for them, brother not build. Month where they see their brother buy waiting, money they don't say. So I just know say God will heal this land. For God to heal this land, there's so many people. So all those evil politicians, their head they will have to do sacrifice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Those evil use their head to do sacrifice for Johnson. And here with Zobo, they will become sacrifice. They will be used as a sacrificial lamb. They be since they don't want to do the road, they fly aeroplane. The aeroplane will crash. Now only they will die. Other people will survive. Because what did they happen? The rice now will not be back. Things the dear for this country.
Onions.
Tomorrow I will show that the onions when I buy 1,000 naira. Onions now something else for Nigeria now. If you never hear one of this, onions be like oil, be like crude oil, gold for waiting dey happen. You know what, my brother? Yes, all these Fulani terrorists, they kill people for, they kill farmers. So all these people they carry onion farm, all they go they kill them. So they only go again. Our grandpa Bubu and all the useless senators, sorry to say, they are very useless set of people. They only know about themselves. They don't care. After all, now foreign onion they use. They only use Nigeria onion. So waiting concern Nigeria onions. My brother, I'm not being shattered. But the truth be say, anybody will talk say no better for this country, not gonna go finish.
Amen.
Una go sleep, una no go wake up. Why ignore? Some of una even now that they make all the suffer so una head now will take do Zobo for junction. Una go clear. My brother be fire down, make I think you invest me.
So as in invest apostle so now, so they turn me for belly. I know like even they told me because I know wetin I dey go through. I know wetin young people like me dey go through. When we say before you know, young boy when you just finish university, we all look. My mama go push and say, "Oh, but come over this house." You went down go school finish, you stay this house. Before you know, you don't go start Yahoo. You dey very decent before you know.
You don't carry belle.
Wetin you expect? You don't carry belle. Why? Because we get bad leaders wey no agree to fix this country. Why? Because they say if they fix this country, they no go fit loot the money.
You not see that woman for Lagos Desmond Idiot sister. When they also talk, say
Nigeria is always on drugs.
They are always on drugs. Say she go school for America. UK, madam.
Also.
Mumu. Why you not school for Nigeria?
May come.
You know, you carry your children to go to best university. Now you say Nigeria you do on drugs. No worry. You also collect slap.
Everyone
slap. You go to sleep, you see slap. You swap. They go back. But
so this na why we carry this matter come to ask this critical question.
Wetin dey happen?
Wetin dey happen?
Also,
our leaders. Oya na open border mo comot.
Do you know, my brother? They no open border make Fulani enter the country. They no open border make American citizens come. They no open border. Do you know say they close border now? No food.
Okay.
Not they close border, therefore not border open. Now thunder will fire.
And if they don't want to leave the country, may they open border. Maybe we want trek.
Come out.
More trek.
But me I no come out.
Since they don't want to leave the country.
No. But me I no come out. My brother. If everybody can't come out of this country, who will come repair it?
That one a true word though.
You understand?
That one a true word.
I know who run come out. If me come out, you come out, who will repair it?
That one a true.
Where would they run they go? No the people they repair it.
Of course. Very true.
So we will play our part now.
That means it's our choice to face this country.
Nine.
Face am squarely to see say e work. We dey promise everybody when they listen to us so say no be by our strength but because God dey alive. Say very soon another generation go rise again wey go support us for this mass struggle wey go help us lead Nigeria into where we expect Nigeria to be.
That's so.
We believe that and we dey pray every day say this country must work because you know where I wan go. No, that where I wan go. Where? You understand? And this is the reason why we say we need to make this country work. Our leaders waiting
they happen.
Just apostle the other day they say some kidnappers kidnap one American citizen for Nigeria border. They carry enter northern Nigeria.
Yes.
Una believe say American soldier enter this country.
Kill our citizen.
They kill, even though they be bandits, even though they be kidnappers, they kill six.
They rescue their person.
They rescue alive.
Our leader don't know.
Our leader to say one thing.
And then they say they want ban social media. That liar department, very foolish man.
Lai Mohammed.
Liar.
If I be Lai Mohammed begin, I'm not this father.
This father. You can imagine Lai Mohammed they want to regulate social media. They forget social media. Maybe our national assembly.
The correct national assembly they carry their matter called discourse. Make everybody for the women they see they come American soldier enter Nigeria. They kill 6 9. I don't want to know if they be terrorists. I don't want to know if they be bandits. As far as they are a citizens of this country, they have the right to live even when they have committed evil. Even when they have committed, they have the right to live. The American soldier should not just come into our country and kill our citizens like that. You know wetin come shock me. Even those who wetin those people do na very very bad thing. Our Nigerian politicians
they no talk.
No come out. They no talk one thing.
They want to.
And even so, Donald Trump they make noise everywhere for media. They celebrate his soldiers wey enter Nigeria. Una don see the Nigerian SWAT soldier, SWAT police.
Man of war, boy scout.
They get one video that was out. They call am SWAT.
They should need to train them on intelligence report. Give the one better room she they blow the minute they teach them. They forest, SWAT, sweet, fair. My people, we don't want to talk this evening. Nigeria now waiting there happen.
They don't allow us, It gets up to say we'll see. Instead we take us serious. We don't like because if you take us serious,
that makes sense.
Wait, when we dey complain about SARS, na this SWAT team, then una go bring come out. He come get one video when I watch that thing. Na him the man help us analyze America's because America get SWAT. Una understand? Na him we say we like to dey copy the way National Assembly take go copy COVID-19 bill from Singapore. Forget say that kind bill. When Singapore do that kind bill, Singapore dey practice authoritarian type of government, and we dey practice democracy. We like to dey copy. Now we say we go copy SWAT again. As we copy SWAT, we no even say we go change the name. We still dey use the same name when other international countries dey use SWAT. Because expect say as we see the same SWAT when international countries dey use like America, we expect to see that kind sophisticated men when we say if you see them alone, you won't commit anything like crime. You will confess.
I want Boy Scouts.
But when we see the SWAT,
Boy Scouts.
now once we listen to the SWAT too.
So
our leaders waiting.
My brother, now so we will talk about this evening.
Mona pity us out there.
Yeah, but we don't go talk wetin God open for our mouths.
Mona like this country.
So Nigeria leaders, wetin dey happen. So my advice to my brothers and sisters, mona no lose hope. All will be well. Because I know say God is on the throne. Make una calm down. It's not easy, but I know say everything will dey well.
Yes.
One day, everything will be okay. Me, I know say God will raise David. That's why they raise some of us. They raise people from different states where we feel represent. On quick one, by the grace of God, we will come up with a program where God don lay for our heart, coming up November 21st,
Yes, sir.
called Strategic Youth Conference, Raising a New Generation. So by tomorrow, we'll begin to see all the detail. Now they see the e-flyer and a lot of things will happen. November 21st, we will do this conference. So by the grace of God, we will see and God will help some. God always some people will not print t-shirt. Yes, so we don't print 135 t-shirts.
Yes.
To carry the vision and the mandate to raise a new generation. So by the grace of God, with the announcer from tomorrow, when we see the flyer and we see everything, we ready. By the grace of God, we want to dwell on teaching. We want to change their mindset. Why do we need things to change? So we need a template. So on the November 21st, we will come up with a template and we will launch our project. For now, I will keep on. That one is still secret. We no go talk until that day.
Yes,
but from tomorrow, we will give a detail of waiting what happened for Edo State come November 21st. Raising a new generation. Raising a new generation. So we are out to raise a new generation. By the grace of God, we will succeed. I have a final word for people. Maybe we go to
just around up with him. My apostle just talk. So when I know someone will come out for the EndSARS protest, all of us just come out because of how we take the angry with our government. But you get what they call ideology. That ideology that we think never sink for every one of us. Why all of us come out? Everybody just they talk waiting, they pain them for belly, which can also come make the issue come take hard for us to speak one voice for the protest. Then we take enter our drawing board back. Say what thing we need to do. Then we take come up with the Youth Strategic Conference on the 21st of November 2020. This conference, young people when they are brain they hot on the way forward for how we will take make Nigeria better. And una go dey watch us live from anywhere una dey for the world. So stay tuned. From tomorrow, una go dey get live updates. The flyers go dey fly online and other media handles as well. As una dey support us, as una dey with us, God will bless all of una in Jesus' name.
Amen. God bless all of una. My name is Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, aka Toka Asibi.
I'm Victor Olise.
God bless you. Good night.
Thank you.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. let us know wetin you think concerning this money wey dem dey borrow so. All this money wey dem dey borrow, who you think say go pay all this money? Because all these leaders wey dey borrow all this money, many of them go soon retire. Once dem don comot for power, this money wey dem borrow so, e go still dey our neck for Nigeria there. So who wan pay this money? Let us know for comment section. And before you go, abeg make you help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, abeg try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. So make I leave you now, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.